Hey everybody, here's a quick video. This is part one of a series of my Super Glock build. This is the parts I have so far. You already seen the video unboxing on the Holosun 507C V2 here. Okay, you already seen the unboxing on that. The battery's dead. This is my barrel that I'm going to use. It is the Facts and Duty series. Gen 17, Glock 17, threaded. I was going to use a ported barrel, but because of the fact I couldn't find any in stock anywhere, they're compensated, the OEM compensated Glock 17 barrel. Couldn't find any of those in stock, so what I'm going to do is use that Faxon barrel. So here is the slide. Try and get this open here with one hand. So this is a Steel City Arsenal slide, as you can see right there. So it's pretty nice. For the price, it's already cut for RMR footprint. I already took my 19C barrel and kind of stuck it in there, and those windows actually will work for a ported Glock barrel. It's pretty good. The thing is I like about the Steel City Arsenal slides is that it comes with the channel liner already installed. Of course, you can't see that with this set of thing. Anyway, so I like it. It's pretty nice. It's going to be a pretty awesome build. No, there's no serial number markings on there or any of that stuff. So, and then over here, what the big surprise is, and I'm wondering if it's worth the money. And for those of you that have used these triggers by this guy, I would like to know your thoughts on this. So let's see. What does that say up there at the top of the page? Johnny Glocks. So this is pretty pricey. Oh look, there's a nice sticker. So that's gonna go in my toolbox. My gun box. The box I have all my gun parts in, and tools. So yeah, it's their X series. You know, see what all I got in here. So it's their combat striker flat face, pre-travel, less than 1/8 inch, wall field, defined, break field, glass rod, reset, short, quick, tactile. So I'm just wondering, because I got a RTF2 Glock 22 frame that I put a Steel City Arsenal slide on, and it's got OEM trigger bar, safety plunger. The only thing I swapped out were the springs, like all the springs, the trigger spring, all that stuff. And it's right at 3 pounds, and that thing is like a sweet, smooth trigger. So I'm just hoping that this is better. We'll see. So that's the parts I have right now. I'm using a polymer 80 lower. It's going to be black. I am waiting on the, what else am I waiting on? Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm waiting on, is that. And then of course I'll just get me some suppressor height sights and everything. Oh, so the cool thing is this about the Steel City Arsenal slide is that it is already, that's an RMR footprint, which will work for this. So I don't have to put one of those plates on there like the Glock MOS do. So I'm kind of excited. I'm just wondering, you know, if this is really going to be, if this trigger is worth 360 bucks. I don't know any of you guys that have ever used them. So I don't know. I'm hoping I like it. You know, I hope it's going to be like more of my cool guy gun, whatever, Gucci Glock, whatever you want to call it, with all the bits and pieces. all the pricey stuff in it. So the barrel was like 150 bucks. The slide was 300, I think. So I think the most expensive parts is the trigger, and then yeah, my trigger, the slide. You know, that's 300 bucks. So that's my G's. For this price, I could have went and bought a whole brand new stock Glock with 3 mags, and could have bought a Glock MOS, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so you're notified when the rest of the videos are released for this. Like I said, this is the part 1 of a series videos for this. So just keep an eye out. And yeah, so y'all have a nice weekend, and thanks for stopping by, and make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notifications button.